trying to do a live a minute ago and it just kind of cut off on me. This is the first night of a 10-night run that we're doing, and wanted to kind of talk about professionalism, first night of a run, being on tour, all that sort of stuff. I'm doing a diary, a video diary of this run for, we get a lot of questions of young musicians and bands that are our friends that ask us how we do it and how do we get so many gigs and set up and all that sort of stuff. So let me show you what we got here. There's a stage, not a real big room, what, 250, 300, something like that. But as you can see from stage left, we've got 3 saxophones. They're a Hammond B3 and a Kurzweil, Leslie behind it. Quite a few keyboards. My drum set, a bass rig. Our in-ear monitor system, which you can't see. And 3 guitar amps, Dave bi-amps, Sam uses 1. The deal with that, and you can't really see the amps because they're on the sides of the stage facing in. Keeps volume down. The other thing I want to point out is right over there, they still got up their Christmas trees. Right over there, all the cases, and that's only about half of the cases, to tell you the truth. Some of the other cases are still up on stage and kind of behind the curtain and whatnot. So anyway, what I wanted to talk about was, you know, what it takes to pull off the gig, what it takes to make this happen. Because again, we get a lot of people asking us how we do it, how we've been able to do it for so long. And I think a lot of it's just professionalism. From the time we got here, I'll walk outside over here. From the time we got here, which was, I don't know, hour and a half ago, to right now, we're set up. We're ready to go. We're ready to do sound check. They're still over there stabbing in mic cables and getting stuff ready to go. And we do it fast. We do it, you know, just everybody comes in, bam, 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 and does our job. One of the things, too, that I think I have to say is when you start bringing all that gear in, right, some of the sound guys, some of the people see it and go, oh, my God, look at all this gear. So I always go up to the sound guy first thing. I introduce myself, and I say, hey, look, it's not as scary as it looks. It's especially once it gets in place. You see all those cases and all this crap coming through the door. It's like, oh, my God, look at all that stuff. Man, I'm telling you, we carry everything in flight cases because we do travel a lot. If you don't put it in flight cases, it's going to be hammered. It's just going to be, it's going to be toast. So everything goes in flight cases. Plus, it's easier to roll in. The band's been together for so long, it is like a brotherhood. We all get along. If you didn't see the video I did this morning from the Airbnb, go check that out. You can do it here on Facebook, or you can go to my YouTube channel and check it out on my playlist, Road Rash Band Aids. And it's really 100% about, you know, when we get here, the people see us get along. The people see us cutting up and giving each other a hard time and loading in and helping one another, right? Helping each other lift stuff, helping each other out, right? We don't have a full road crew. We just don't. Now, a minute ago I started this video, so if I'm repeating myself, I started the video and it died on me, so if I've said it 2 or 3 times, I apologize for that. On this particular run, we have one sound guy that's traveling, not with us, but from gig to gig. He's going to meet us at every gig. A lot of times we don't have that luxury, and sometimes we have a different guy, a sound person every night. But on this one, we have the same sound guy with the exception of, I think, one place called Harold's Corral, and they have it's a kind of a bar, barbecue, restaurant venue, and they have their own house sound guy there. So with that one, we will use their sound guy instead of, his name's Kurt. I think it's important for the sound guy to be part of it because they are part, you know, they're going to be running sound for us every night. And so coming in, introducing yourself, being nice to the guy, don't be a prima donna. If you need something in your mixer, your monitor, go like that, or you need something different, you don't, you know, treat them with respect, treat them good. I think that's very, very, very important to say that right off the bat. And you know, once again, since this guy's going with us to all these gigs, he's going to see how we go every night. On opening night like this, he's going to see how fast we work, see how we get it set up, see how we tear it down. He's going to know by the end of the run. He's going to know the stage plot. He's going to know the show. He'll be mixing us fantastically by the end of the show. First night, he's getting his legs under him just like we are. So anyway, that is kind of the run through on how we do it, what we do. Now here, let's go back in here, see what's happening. Might be loud, I don't know if you'll be able to hear it all what I do. So let's see what we got here. So again, if you didn't catch the first part of it, there's quite a bit of stuff up there. There's Walt's stuff over there, Hammond, Kurzweil, Nord, Wurlitzer. There's 3 guitar amps on stage. They're firing them from the side. You can't really see them. The drum set, bass rig, in-ear monitor system. There's a lot of stuff up there to make this happen. And we're very blessed and very fortunate to have all of it and have this great team of people around us. It's going to be a good show. It's going to be a lot of fun. I think it's sold out. If you have any questions, and look, see, not even Christmas time, but we still got our Christmas spirit going on, I guess. If you got any questions or comments, you want some coaching, you want some drum lessons, you got questions about what this is that I do here, you're more than, hey, and there's Sam. Hold on, we're live. Let me flip it around. There, you're on, you're live right now.
What's up?
How are you?
Talking to?
Facebook.
Hey, Facebook.
Everybody is just staring at you. Nobody has said hi, Sam, or anything like that. But
I'm just the singer.
I think they like the Christmas trees behind you. Oh. Is that Christmas? Yeah, I guess it is Christmas trees, right?
I think it is.
Yeah, it is.
Yeah.
I don't know.
Right.
So there you have it. So that is live from first show. Now this is the second of all the videos I'm going to be doing. If you have questions in regards to the Airbnb, I did a video on that this morning. Go watch that. If you have questions, comments, you want some help, you want some coaching, you want some lessons, reach out to me at bartrobley.com. John says hi, Sam.
Hi, John.
Sam says hi, John. So there you have it. I think they're about ready for me to go up there and start beating on the drums and get some sound. You guys have a great, I think today's Tuesday. Have a great Tuesday. It is Tuesday. Have a great Tuesday wherever you're at. And my favorite thing about this is we got Sasquatch back there. You can't have a gig without Sasquatch. Always remember that. There you go. Can't have a gig without Sasquatch.